I'm warning you, if you come on my property, we're going to have a problem. You understand what I'm telling you? I don't know what people did to you, but you need to leave my property. Do you hear me?
Well, I'm kind of curious. Where's your property, sir?
Right here. Do you have a survey? Are you going to get into a dispute over whose property's what? I just said, if you come on my property...
Well, you wanted me not to come on your property. How am I supposed to know what your property is, sir?
If you step on this property, you'll know.
I don't have any quarrels with you.
Well, then
I don't have any problems with your property, sir.
I have asked you to remain off this property.
You got it.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, but is this your property? Is this your property right here where I'm at?
You can stand on the road. The property line goes all the way to the road. So I told you the best place for you to stand is on the other side of the street. That would be my advice to you.